इस चैनल के अंतर्गत के सभी वीडियो डॉक्टर नितिन खर्चे के ज्ञान और अनुभव पर आधारित है। हम आपके विचारों का सम्मान करते हैं। हो सकता है आपके विचार इसके विपरीत हो। We discuss the description of mind through scientific approach, whatever the development related to the mind scientifically. Now we are going to discuss about the ancient divine sciences or the Vedantic model of mind. So before to start our discussion on the Vedantic approach or model of mind, I would like to tell you one thing. If you properly understood that philosophy or that model, or we can say the ultimate truth, then it is easy to understand the description of mind described in our ancient sciences, divine sciences. So, as we are aware that the Hindu philosophy, the foundation of Hindu philosophy, is nothing but that describes the ultimate truth, that is universal unity. It is called as Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. In other words, we can say universal unity in diversity also. So, if we properly understood this ultimate truth, then it is very easy to understand the mind as per Vedantic or divine sciences through the divine sciences. So, everything in the universe are connected. It does not connected; it is interlinked. So. There is we can say we try to find out the truth, then there is we can proceed in the every aspect and all dimension instead of isolation and specialization. Like scientific approach, scientifically I told you that our science nowadays are focusing on two aspects, that is physical and second one is psychological. Physical as the brain, nervous system and all these things. Psychological theories are there and all these things. But in isolation it is not possible as per the Vedantic model of mind or divine shastra description related to the mind. So mind is basically consist of as per Vedantic model. There are the four major components of mind. That is, first one is manas, that is also called as man. Second one is a chitta. Third one is a buddhi. Fourth one is a ahankar. And another one, fifth one, that I will describe you it later because it makes confusion now. If we discuss that fifth one of the major or the most important component. So man, chitta, buddhi and ahankar. Our mind, human mind, consists of these four parts. Man, that is nothing but the manas. Whatever the sensory information gathers and delivered to the intellect, that is called as, we can say, the mental state. Then chitta is in an English word, I think that it is for me very hard to find out the proper English word for the chitta. So we call that as chitta. Chitta is nothing but the most, it is like an ocean, and whatever the drop in the water and then whatever the growth of, so that deep, silent, stable ocean is nothing but chitta, one of the most important component of our mind. The next one is our buddhi. Buddhi is nothing but getting the data, process it, and that is called as intellect. And last one is ahankar. Ahankar it is generally confused with the ego, but ahankar is nothing but our true identity. What we choose and what we reject and accept, that is important part in this case. So these are the four major parts as per the Vedantic concept. Then the next one we move towards the another level, that is the Katha Upanishad, well-known Nachiket story that we are already aware. But there is a metaphorical presentation of human mind, or we can say the human body. And in our Bhagavad Gita, also there is a explanation, metaphoric explanation of human, the chariot. Human body is like a chariot. Whatever the horses yoke to that chariot, and that horses represent our senses, and the reign of that horses hold by a driver, that is called as the mind. And next to that driver, there is a master of chariot. So there is a description of the metaphorical presentation of mind in Katha Upanishad and in Bhagavad Gita. So in this case, whatever the driver, wherever the driver want to go, that horses pull him as per his wish, because he hold the rein and drives with that horses properly. If he is unable to drive that horses, then that horses will pull him here and there, and he cannot achieve his goal properly. And that is the metaphorical presentation, very interesting presentation of human body as a chariot. Then again we move towards the as the Bhagavad Gita is extract of all shastras and all these things in our religion. So in Bhagavad Gita, in Adhyaya 7, there is an explanation related to the Prakriti of Bhagavan. And if we understand that Prakriti properly, then it is very easy to understand the overall concept of human mind. So there is a Ashtada Prakriti is mentioned in that Adhyaya in chapter 7. And that Ashtada Prakriti consists of 8 components. That is the 5 senses, elements, senses. Then Man, 6th one, Chitta, or Chitta is absent here, Man, Buddhi and Ahankar. These 3 components and 5 senses. Man, Buddhi, Ahankar plus 5 senses. That is called as the Ashtada Prakriti, and that is our overall nature or Prakriti of human body. And how these operate? Then all these 5 senses is controlled by our man, and man is controlled by our buddhi, that is intellect, that is our mental state is controlled by our intellectual state, and that intellectual is controlled by the ahankar, that is our identity, and through which we operate, or we do the all things, whatever we want, whatever we think and all things. So that is the thing. Second one, it is essential to describe the intellect and the mental state, that is man and the buddhi. So man gathers the all the information from the senses. It is primitive state, goes forward to the intellect, and then intellect process on that information, and then we jump on a particular conclusion or decision. So that is the important thing. In Western world, there is so many importance given to the intellect. That is, we say generally in our society that person is a very intellectual person, but intellect is just one component as per our ancient divine sciences. And if we give the more weightage to that intellect, then it is not, it is a very double-edged sword. Like we see the, instead of we are saying we are developing, but in real sense we are not developing. We are destroying the system, and we are dis- disturbing the overall process and the cycle of this universe. Uh, Before, I think that we should not discuss on this topic because our topic is related to the ancient divine sciences explanation of human mind. So move towards the next stage, that is Taittiriya Upanishad. There is a very, we can say, the profound explanation of human body and overall mind. So in this there are the five koshas are mentioned, that is called as sheaths. Five sheath model is explained in the Taittiriya Upanishad. At the ground level there is called as physical body sheath, that is Annamaya kosha. Then next to the Manomaya kosha, that is called as mental sheath. Then next to the number then sorry, second one is a pranmaya kosha, that is energy sheet. Next one is a manomaya kosha, that is called as the you can say the mental sheet. And next one is called as the jnanmaya kosh, that is intellect sheet. And last one is called as bliss sheet, that is anandmaya kosha. So manomaya, अन्नमय, मनोमय, pranmay, jnanmay, and the anandmay koshas are explained. So all these, we can say, there is an explanation of psychophysical system of mind. Annamay kosha, that is our body and all the senses and all the nervous system and the all sensory information. Manomaya kosha is the mental state. Here we the memories are there, and that memory is thrust out on the basis of these five senses. And then there is the energy shift, which is very important. That is called as pranmaya kosha. Pranmaya kosha is very important because it connects the annamaya kosh, manomaya kosh, and all these koshas properly, the interlinking, or we can say it is the energy that regulates that koshas. So pranmaya kosha is very important. Pranmaya kosha is in the form of, we can say, the air, vayu, and in our shastra there are five types of vayus are mentioned: prana, apan, vyana, udana, samana. And there are the different characteristics of these five vayus and their function. So energy shift is one of the important, and that regulate our physical and the mental state. That's why pranmaya kosha is one of the important things. And whatever we think and all these things is based on that energy. Like in scientific terms, we discuss that our brain operates on the basis of impulses, and that is electrical impulses, that is nothing but the energy. So our breathing of body and the reaction on our brain and then on our mental state varies. Take an example, when we are very happy and excited, our breathing is different, and when we are very sad, then this breathing is different, and when we are very fearful, then that breathing varies. So that energy shift is one of the important criteria mentioned in the ancient life sciences. So again, in Bhagavad Gita, there is the human is operated on the basis of, we can say, on the basis of three. basic major, what that called in English, I am not recalling at that time. But Sattva, Raja, and Tam, that is called as the three gunas operate the all individual. So whatever the gunas which is in majority, and as per that characteristics of that guna, we can observe the behavior of person in that matter. Sattva guna is at the top, then Raja guna, and below is the tamas guna. So whatever the destruction, laziness, and all the negative things are related to the tamas guna. Raja guna is nothing but the construction, we can say, the greed, and all these things are related to the Raja guna. And Sattva guna is related to the pure knowledge related to the who am I, and what is the overall universal system, and knowing the ultimate Vasudeva or the Bhagavat. So these three gunas also operate our overall body. So on that basis, there are so many models are explained, but we are not going in the deep. This is the sufficient thing through which we can decode the human mind. And one important thing here we can, or I would like to conclude that human mind is cannot be decoded in isolation and specialization. We should understand properly the whole system, and by understanding the whole system, that is Ashtada Prakriti, or the four major component of mind described in the Vedas and our Shastra, then only possible we can able to decode our mind properly. So that is the overall explanation related to the human mind as per